sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 27th of July. I'm James Spann. Hey, it's hot and humid. Who'd think that here in the middle of summertime? Got a few showers around today, really not that many. Let's begin with the upper air look across the country today. Classic summer look, ridging here across the deep south, the mid-latitude westerlies up to the north. That ridge extends back into parts of the Pacific Northwest where they've got some heat problems today. There's the visible satellite view across the deep south. And again, you can see a field of cumulus clouds across the state, but really not that many, and the showers are fairly hard to find today. That was the radar composite doing this update today about 2:10. And much of the state dry. Let's go to the Birmingham Radar, and you can see clusters of showers coming through parts of Lamar, Fayette, Winston, Walker, Marion, and Cullman counties, Marshall County, and North Alabama between Birmingham and Huntsville. A little bit of thunder and lightning in those, but just basically rain showers in most locations. And so obviously most locations will not see rain tonight. Temperatures this afternoon, not too bad, around 90 in most spots. Birmingham at 90, upper 80s for Anniston and Gadsden, Tuscaloosa 91, and around the region mostly low and mid-90s. Here's the watch warning map across the southeastern states today. We have heat advisories west of the state. And again, the way this works, this is a Weather Service criteria kind of thing where you've got the counties in orange. That's where the heat index might touch 105 today, the combination of temperature and humidity. Those advisories extend back into parts of Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Flash flood watches for Arizona and some of the adjacent states. The monsoon season underway there. Flash flood watches northeast of Alabama, parts of eastern Kentucky and West Virginia. And again, some heat problems back in the Pacific Northwest. Check the severe weather outlook. This is for the rest of today and tonight. Got a marginal risk north of the state near a stalled surface boundary. This is tomorrow. Again, a marginal risk just north of Alabama. Covers much of Tennessee and Kentucky. And then on day 3, which is Friday. Day 3 is Friday. We have that marginal risk kind of clipping the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. And again, the main threat when you see the darker green like that level 1 out of level 5 this time of the year, the chance of strong gusty winds, maybe a wet microburst. But storms should be most active Friday across the northern half of the state. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. And again, the bigger numbers will be across North Alabama. In the Tennessee Valley, rain amounts between 1.5 and 2.5 inches. And then you get down to southeast Alabama, not much at all. Weather in the tropics. Again, I promise I'm showing you fresh graphics every day. They just don't look any different. It's really quiet across the Atlantic basin. You can see from the Gulf of Mexico to the coast of Africa, obviously no problems in the short term. No tropical trouble expected for at least the next 5 days. But August is coming. We'll see how that all plays out. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got a vortex over eastern Canada. And, of course, ridging stays in place here. And really, I don't expect a lot of change in the weather tomorrow. Hot, humid, a few pop-up showers in the afternoon. Fairly widely separated. And the high will likely be in the low 90s in most spots, right at seasonal averages. Now, this is Friday. And again, we're going to have a front approaching from the north, and that should bring an increase in the number of showers and storms for the northern half of the state. Understand, we can't promise rain for everybody. We all know that rain distribution is very uneven in summer, but Friday we'll probably start to see an increase in the number of storms, and that's the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. The better chance of showers and storms over the northern half of the state. And again, even there, it's not going to rain everywhere, but most places, let's say from Interstate 20 north, have a good chance of seeing at least 1 or 2 good downpours Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Highs for the weekend, I'd say 88 to 92 for the northern half of the state, low to mid-90s for South Alabama. This is Monday of next week, same thing. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms over the north. This is Tuesday, evidence maybe statewide. Let's go to a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 3rd of August. Troughing in the west, ridging in the east, and it's the same old deal. Hot, humid, scattered storms. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, August the 6th. And again, the ridge in place, the weather stays hot, humid, a few scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. We say that a lot this time of the year, but the dog days of summer are here. Rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble between now and the 12th of August. The green line is the one to watch. That's the mean of the ensemble members. And that green line is running between 2 and 3 inches. Temperatures right where they should be. Brand new output from the National Blend of Models. Highs every day between 90 and 94. Lows mostly low and mid-70s. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook in the house coming from the Climate Prediction Center. This is for August 3rd through August 9th. And if this works out, the core of the really hot weather should be a little north of here, with temperatures down here maybe a little above average. So that's it for the afternoon daily weather briefing. If you're new to this, we do these twice a day. I'm doing them live now. And again, the reason I'm doing them live is just a time saver. There's no reason other than that. My time management is the greatest struggle in life for me. And if I can get back a little bit of time, it saves some time. But I do them live now about 5:30 in the morning, about 2:30 in the afternoon weekdays. Of course, most people watch them later, and we simulcast these on both YouTube, the James Spann YouTube channel, and the James Spann Facebook page. So thanks for watching. We always have notes over on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. We pour our heart and soul out over there. And if you can, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.